Hey, this is Rick Mouery with Mouery's Flooring. Today we're out in our warehouse and we're talking about a commercial carpet tile from J&J called Kinetex. This style and color is called Accelerate Increase, but Kinetex is what we want to talk about. There's several different styles and colors this comes in. This is just one that we have in stock right now. It's a two-tone, more of a gray type color, and you can see how thin this product is. It has a top layer and a bottom layer. The bottom layer is just a felt cushion pad that's thermally fused to the top layer, and the top layer is what makes this product special. This product can actually, because of the top layer, this product can actually be installed in hospitality areas. It can be installed in cafeterias, anywhere that has to be sanitized, like hospitals, nursing homes. They use this a lot in locker rooms for colleges and universities. So you can actually use bleach on this product. Another unique feature with this product is it's breathable. So a lot of issues you have with carpet tile in the commercial world is when you install it over a concrete slab that has a high moisture content. Most carpet tiles have a vinyl backing. This doesn't. This has that breathable felt backing, and it allows all the moisture to release out of the concrete. And you can get this one of two ways. We can either glue it down with a full spread adhesive, and that adhesive allows us to go over a slab that it has a high moisture content, or the one that we like is a peel and stick, and the glue is extremely durable, is extremely tacky, and you just peel the plastic off the back and stick it down, and it's a breathable tile. So the way this is made is they take, basically each tile has 27 water bottles that it takes to make this tile. So it's an extremely sustainable product, but it's made out of PET polyester. So that PET polyester is kind of entwined like a rope. So most of the time when you're walking on carpet, you're walking on the tips of the fiber. This, you're walking on the sides of the fiber. So it's like a rope, and you're literally walking on the sides instead of the tips of the fiber. And then once they're entwined together, they emboss them or melt them. So it's kind of like a hybrid floor between a hard surface floor and a carpet. So it's one of the, if not the most slip resistant floors, one of the most durable floors, one of the most acoustic, sound deadening floors, easy to maintain. You vacuum it, you can sanitize it. It's extremely repellent. I have a water bottle here, but you can see if you had a spill on it, that spill will just kind of roll around on it, give you some time to get the spill out of it before it just totally soaks in. So just a extremely unique carpet tile, really extremely unique just flooring. We call it like a hybrid type flooring, a mixture between hard surface and carpet. So Kinetex Carpet Tile by J&J here at